Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I cannot wait to share with you 6 DIY Dollar Tree Halloween decor crafts. So this is going to be a spooktacular DIY adventure. This is episode 31 in my I Love Fall series. You guys, I love to DIY and share with you guys how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. If you need fall decor, Halloween decor, shopping, cleaning, baking, everything to get ready for the fall season, definitely check out that huge playlist down below. All you have to do is click on it. It'll take you back through all of the fun Dollar Tree DIYs, shopping, cleaning, cooking, and baking to get you totally inspired and ready for fall. But without further ado, we're going to create some spooktacular, gorgeous, over-the-moon decor crafts. So plug in your glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. For the first Dollar Tree DIY, I want to take one of these Dollar Tree pumpkin topiary signs and some Dollar Tree fairy lights, and you'll need a drill or something that you can make a hole in your little sign with. And I put a board underneath my work table, that way it didn't drill holes into my work table, but I just drilled holes in each one of the eyes for my spooktacular jack-o'-lantern sign, and I thought the sign was perfect to light up. I think you could do this with a lot of the different Dollar Tree signs. So I'm just going in each eye and I'm drilling a small hole. Try to choose a drill bit that's very small as well. And so I'm just taking some of this white duct tape. It can be any color, and I am duct taping my lights to the back. You can tell that I pulled the little leaf caps off of the little light up fairy lights because I didn't need the leaves anymore. So I'm just taking, and you don't want to also push your lights all the way through your sign. If you just take the duct tape and kind of make just like a little mound there, it will fit in perfectly. So I just continued to do that all the way down the sign. And I was really excited. I only needed to use one set of lights. So just add your duct tape, and then I went ahead and also duct taped the battery pack to the back. And here you have it, the most fabulous, fun, and amazing lighted up jack-o'-lantern topiary, and it costs next to nothing. Now, how adorable is this going to be sitting out on my front porch or in that cozy corner, just to add a little bit of fun, spooky for the Halloween holiday? I thought that would be so fun and festive. I love having something that glows. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I am using one of those Dollar Tree Black Cats and Witches hats flour sack towels. And what I want to do is go ahead and use my hot glue gun and hot glue a pillow. So what you want to do is you want to start from the inside out, and you just begin to hot glue your little edge of your pillow all the way down. So I like to add a generous amount of hot glue, and I'm just going all the way around the edge, and then you'll just go ahead and press that down with your fingers and smooth it out a couple of times. And this is so fun. I'm going to tell you that I've made a lot of Dollar Tree pillows, and these little Dollar Tree flour sack towels are the best to make the pillows. They come out looking really high end, like something you would see at Target or TJ Maxx. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn my little pillow inside out, and make sure you use your finger to kind of poke in the little holes on the ends. And then I'm just using some pillow stuffing from a pillow that I wasn't using anymore, and I'm just going to go ahead and stuff my pillow. And then you'll just go ahead and fold each seam under to finish hot gluing. Once you have a good amount of stuffing in your pillow, it doesn't have to be perfect. Some of the edges on my little pillow didn't have quite enough stuffing, but you can kind of move it around and make it to where it has a little bit more. So Dollar Tree also has a trick or treat flour sack towel that's super adorable. So I wanted to make a matching pillow kind of to offset it, and my daughter has already confiscated this one, and it's on her bed. She loved it. It goes with her aesthetic in her room. And so this is just perfect. Again, you flip it inside out, and then you're just going to go ahead and take some stuffing and stuff your little pillow, and then hot glue it together, and voila, you have a fabulous, wonderful pillow for about $1 and some change if you already have that stuffing around. So definitely this is a fun one and a fabulous way to make a great little pillow. So grab those little flour sack towels if you guys see them for sure. And then I did decide to go ahead and make a little pom-pom for the end. I'm using this yarn that I picked up at the thrift store, and all you have to do is wind it around your palm quite a few times, or your fingers, and then you're going to go ahead, and I just use another piece of yarn to tie it off with. So you're going to tie it in the center, and you're going to tie it 2 or 3 times to get a good knot, because you don't want it to come unraveled. And then all you have to do is take your scissors after you've tied your knot and create little pom-poms. So your scissors should run right down through the center of where each loop is. How easy is that, you guys? I love this. I think it's so fun. And then I just used some hot glue to glue my little palms on. Also, for some of my fall pillows, I did just go ahead and stitch them on, but this was easy peasy, and so I just went ahead and popped them on. How adorable are these? Oh my goodness, you guys, I think these came out so cute, and to me, in my opinion, they look so high end. Definitely something that is boutique, gorgeous on a budget. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to create a fun and fabulous spooktacular Halloween garland. So I'm taking about 6 rolls of deco mesh, and then one of those pieces of floral wire that you find at Dollar Tree in the crafts section, and I'm just taking my mesh, and I'm going to take a pipe cleaner, and I'm just going to pipe cleaner my mesh onto that piece of wire. And then I'm going to add in another little poof of mesh, and then you want to make about 10-inch poofs. So I'm just going to pull them out and kind of poof them in. And you don't even have to make a whole big poof. This one is so easy. You guys can totally do this. And then just take another pipe cleaner, and you're going to twist the pipe cleaner several times. And then you want to leave the pipe cleaners long, because you're going to continue to add more layers of mesh and burlap and whatever little doodads and Halloween whatnots that you may want to add. Now, I do like a really over-the-top, boutique, gorgeous, fabulous look. So I have this huge roll of burlap that burlapfabric.com sent me. I'm going to leave a coupon code below. If you guys need some burlap, they have a $5 off discount for all of my wonderful viewers, which I think is so nice for them to offer. And so I'm just going to take some burlap, and I'm going to tie this on to my little loops. So again, just have fun layering. And then I did go ahead and layer on some black and orange deco mesh. So it looks like, to me, in total I used 4 rolls of deco mesh. Again, if you want it to be fuller, go for the 6 rolls. Or maybe you don't have the burlap, so substitute deco mesh for the burlap. I do like the rustic chic glam. That's really what my fall and Halloween is going to look like this season. If you guys missed my fall home tour, I'm going to link it down below in the huge I Love Fall playlist for you. Now, I did make a bow using my Pro Bow the Hand, and this was just like a very sloppy terry bow. I will put a Pro Bow the Hand in my Amazon store, or you guys can just go online and buy it. I also have a huge bow video if you guys need some help with bows, but I just wanted to make a really full and fluffy bow, and I did end up making about 4 of these bows. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, you're going to take some of those Dollar Tree witch legs, and you are going to attach pipe cleaners onto the top of your witch legs. So all you have to do is take a pipe cleaner and add some hot glue, and then add your pipe cleaner, and then you can use any piece of paper or ribbon or any scrap. I always use my scraps that I have laying around, but you want to cover that pipe cleaner because you want to create some witch legs that will hang from your garland. I thought that would be so fun and fabulous, almost like the witch just landed. And how fun would this be to flank your fireplace mantle with this, or even your front door? I'm debating on whether or not I want to put this on my front door once October rolls around, or on my mantle. Comment and let me know, you guys, where this should go once you see this whole finished product. Now you can also take some of those fun and fabulous Spooktacular Dollar Tree signs, the ones that are hanging that will detach from each other, and you just detach each little part of the sign, and again you're going to attach the pipe cleaner to the back with some hot glue, and then you can just take a piece of scrap fabric or felt or whatever you have on hand to lay over that, and that's going to create a little spot that you can attach your fun goodies to, your wreaths or your garlands, and it makes them look kind of like they're floating. So you can see I attached the witch legs with the pipe cleaners on either side of the garland. Now I'm going in and attaching the bows, and the secret to my bows are lots and lots of fluffing. So fluffy out those bows, have fun. I used all Dollar Tree ribbon except for some black burlap ribbon, again, that burlapfabric.com sent me. What a blessing. I love getting ribbon in the mail. I am such a ribbon junkie. You guys, comment and let me know if you could just have every ribbon under the sun. Which one would be your favorite season of ribbon to have? I did go ahead and add a large bow to the center and one of those Dollar Tree skeletons. I painted him a copper color, and then I'm just fluffing up my bow, and I also added a fun little sign that kind of dangled down. I felt like a really productive crafter today because I was able to use up a lot of the Dollar Tree signs that I kind of overbought on. But here it is. It's a very fun and fabulous, and I think you could have fun adding even more into this if you wanted to add some spider webs or some bats or some fun pumpkins. But the witch has landed here, and I think I'm eyeing this garland possibly for my mantle. I'm not totally for sure. I think if we hung it on our front porch, I think it might dangle down and we would knock our heads on it when we were trying to go through our front door. So look how fun this is, you guys. I usually don't use all of these vibrant colors, but I really feel like Halloween calls for just all of the fun purples and oranges, and the offsets of black against all of the white I think looks really, really fun and amazing. So comment and let me know. Do you guys love to do big garlands? What do you think about this? Is this something you're going to be attempting? And look at how cute these pillows look. Oh my goodness, you guys, I was just so over the moon for this one. Now I did spray paint this cute little skeleton that copper color, and for this one I just wanted to glam her up, so I'm adding a dab of hot glue and a little jewel to the center of each eye. Now originally the skeleton was kind of that bright orange color, but I wanted to tone this one down so it would match the candles on my side table, and my idea was to kind of stack this on top of a book. I did hit up the thrift store the other day and I got some books for free, and a fun thing you guys can do with free books is to take the jackets off of them, turn them sideways, and then it makes a really fun little display. And here she is, all ready, feeling spooktacular next to my favorite marshmallow fireside candle. And for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to take actually some netting, and I believe this was from my nautical DIYs from the summer. So I didn't have any spider web on hand, but I felt like this nautical would be fun. It's just like a nautical roping, and I just kind of pushed it over the picture and draped it down, kind of to make it look like it was a cobweb. And I don't care for spiders, so I did go ahead and just add some sparkling bat wings to my pretty little antique vintage picture here. But I thought it was a really fun way to bring just a touch of spookiness, very spooktacular, but not too spooky. That's kind of what I like. I like more cutesy Halloween decor. And let me know, do you guys
decorate for a spooky Halloween or a cutesy Halloween? A lot of you guys have let me know so far, but I need to hear more. I wanted to see what the results are. And then here it is, just paired with a cute little pumpkin topiary. And then for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to take one of those fun and fabulous Dollar Tree boo napkins, and I'm just going to cut it out and put it into a Dollar Tree frame. I have so many fun pictures of my kiddos when they would dress up for Halloween when they were little. So I didn't have time to find one, but I'm going to put one in this picture frame. But I think that would be a really fun way to put out a holiday frame and to kind of give it a little bit of matting or backing by using a napkin. So of course this is so easy. All you guys do is just cut the napkin out, pop it back into your frame. And then I had these pumpkins that were all sparkly laying around, so I decided to go ahead and add some of the sparkling pumpkins to the base of this. And then I decided that Mr. Bones needs to be on this as well, so he flopped onto this pumpkin and then he wasn't quite sturdy enough on there, so I decided to give him a little chair of pumpkins. I added a couple more pumpkins, and voila, Mr. Bones has been having fun in the pumpkin patch. And I did also add another little bow to the base just to give it even more stability. So here it is, all fun and fabulous. As always, comment and let me know which was your favorite DIY in this session and which one are you inspired to recreate. Thank you guys for all the postings of all the pictures of DIYs you're posting on my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook group page, and also all of the postings that you're doing on Instagram. I love to see all of your DIYs. You guys do such amazing work and you leave me feeling so inspired. So thank you so much for sharing the joy and the love of creating, and never stop creating.
Okay, you guys, so here is my thrift store outfit of the day. I just have on these cute little thrift store jeans. I have them kind of cuffed because I made a mistake and bought short jeans. So I just went ahead and double rolled them. And then I got this cute little, it's just, I think a shirt that was originally maybe from Walmart or Target. It has a little V-neck. It's super comfy. And I thought it'd be really cute for this Halloween video. So I hope you guys are liking it. This is just an easygoing mom outfit I may wear on trick-or-treating. So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous spooktacular DIY Dollar Tree adventure. I love to share with you all how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. You guys don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing, and spooktacular home. If you guys are new and you love to do budget-friendly DIYs, home decor, cooking, cleaning, baking, definitely consider subscribing. I would love to have you. This community is so kind and amazing. For everybody that comes back, you guys rock my world. Truly, I would not be here without you, and I love you to the moon and back. I have a huge I Love Christmas series coming up. I have been doing some things to get prepared. If you guys can tell, I might be in a different space. So stay tuned for some more fun videos, and I'm going to reveal to you where I am. I love you guys so much. I have so many more DIYs planned for you. Also, don't forget to click on the huge I Love Fall playlist if you need some fall decor inspiration. Thank you guys again. I'm hugging you all so tight. Have a gorgeous, blessed day, and until the next video, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.